po. I'm gonna show you how it looks here in Talisay Beach. Medyo challenging lang ang pagpunta dito, pero it's worth it. Isn't it good? Isn't it nice? Yes, it is. Look at the tiny diba? Ang cute-cute. Ang gaganda. They're there na, and I'm left behind here. It's because I'm taking video. It's okay, even if I'm left behind. We're here na. I told my sisters to bring some food. Water, because intentionally we were about to do the jogging there doon sa Baywalk. Pero we changed our minds and rather proceeded here. There's my hubby using the stair. Okay, dapat kasi dito kami dumaan. But we're not so familiar with the ways coming here, kaya medyo naligaw kami. We're here! Thank you, Lord! We're here. Beautiful sight.
Ganito yung sa Boracay dito.
Beautiful view. Isn't it good? Isn't it fine? Isn't it magic? This is video. What can you say?
So, nandito na kami sa
Saan?
Beach. Makita ko sa dito ko nagpapagawa ng na revolto ko eh.
Wow.
Sa itaas ng bato na to.
Not so funny. Time is up. Nagpa-practice na siya kasi sasayaw daw siya sa Kagdarao pag nagpiesta. Sige nga, pa-practicein mo yung square dance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, race. 1, 2, 3, race. 1, 2, 3, kick. Ganun lang yun.
Magtatanim ako ng puno dito sa dagat.
Not so funny. So corny. Pero cute naman. Hello guys! As I watch the rhythmic kiss of the waves on the beach, is really relaxing. It made me forget all my worries and my problems. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful view. There is my son and there is my husband. And as I go around, I really appreciate the beauty of nature. There is the sun starting to rise. In fact, it's already... What time is it? Siguro it's already 8 o'clock. Pero ayun, palabas pa lang yung sun doon sa over the trees. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity of enjoying the beauty of nature. Thank you guys for watching my video.